This is Patch Adams, the Dr. Clown who has devoted his life to proving that love, fun, and justice are partners in healing. His life story was featured in the 1998 movie starring Robin Williams. As a medical student, Patch spread renegade happiness throughout the hospital. Here's another movie called The Real Patch Adams that shows him traveling the world, bringing humor and healing wherever need is great. Now Patch wants to bring this happy medicine to Philadelphia, where together we are creating the world's first Patch Adams free clinic beyond his home base, the Gesundheit Institute in rural West Virginia. Patch himself will visit us too as we progress. To launch this clinic, we've signed a contract with Patch to ensure that our standards match the beautiful example he sets. So Philadelphia will host another American Revolution, a revolution in health care. The Patch Adams Free Clinic will provide basic primary care to everybody: checkups, dental, optical, and laughter. Clinic members will pay a small annual fee for extra benefits like massage, chiropractic, even veterinary care. Clinic members will be owners, and ownership gives them the power to decide what services we'll have and what it will cost. There are practical alternatives to corporate-style health systems. Member ownership makes our lives more secure. What we own, government cannot take away. And with ownership comes dignity. There are several paths to ownership. Membership can be paid partly with sweat equity. Everyone who can wake up in the morning has something to offer, and barter is welcome. Here's one vision for Philadelphia's Patch Adams Free Clinic. This is a passive solar, earth-sheltered structure with lots of natural light, plus roof and yard that grow healthy food. Such structures are known as earth ships, which are usually built with earth packed into discarded tires. Building with the earth reduces money spent for heating and cooling, while preserving money for healing. Building with simple tools lowers costs of living, while cleaning the water and air. This outdoor rendering shows a 2-acre lot, about 300 feet by 300 feet. There's plenty of room for orchards, gardens, a farm, a labyrinth, a farmer's market, and pageant grounds. The neighborhood gets even broader benefits. We're more than a free clinic. We're an economic development force, bringing green jobs training. Healthy neighborhoods make for healthy children who will learn basic skills of community management, and they'll learn how to have fun in a playful neighborhood. We are the circus come to town. So let's summarize. What's special about Philadelphia's Patch Adams Free Clinic? More choices than pills and surgery, more time with visitors, more comfortable waiting room with couches and cots and care, more green space since healthy people need healthy neighborhoods, more beauty, curative beauty, more power since members become voters and our volunteer healers teach self-care, more affordable since this clinic will run on lowest possible overhead, more delicious in our pay-what-you-can restaurant, more jobs, and more fun. Here are the basic action elements. We combine land, volunteers, donations, and permits. Volunteers are the heart and soul of this clinic. As we said, though, we want to move beyond charity. Our fellow citizens are more willing to respect, volunteer for, and fund those who help themselves. So as we grow stronger, we'll reward volunteers to create an economy of generosity. To strengthen the appeal of membership, we're inviting businesses to offer discounts. Chiropractor Damian Chasulo has signed on as our first volunteer healer. We're even asking businesses to accept part payment with our clinic's money, Philadelphia Medicash. Here's Jason Huber of Infusion Coffee and Tea, the first business to agree to accept Medicash. So we're funny and healthy. We're also a political movement. Our example asserts that top-quality health care should be available to every person. We'll show that average people pooling assets can take control of health financing. We favor some federal funding, Medicare for all, built upon such co-op plans to keep health care affordable, democratic, honest, and humane. We're setting this example to start Patch Adams free clinics nationwide, to create a secure health system for the next generations, to benefit all of us, rich and poor. We begin with who's ready to begin. Marcus Holman is our web developer. He's creating a platform that will enable us to enroll volunteers, members, and donors. This is a wireframe sketch for our homepage. When the site launches, we'll invite the whole region to help. Lots of help is needed. This is a sample of the variety of tasks needing pioneers. All skills are needed. You're invited to sign on as a volunteer, as a member, as a tax-deductible donor. Your ideas and voices are welcome. This starts with a few clowns, and we'll succeed when we put together many heads and hearts, and many noses. For Philadelphia's Patch Adams Free Clinic, this is Paul Glover.